Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Customs. Today I am going to start with getting some the second coat of mud on these wall patches. They all sunk in and they definitely need second coats. And I'm going to put some light fixtures up, although I don't have any light bulbs. And when I get some of the shiny white paint, like on this wall, the doors, door jambs, the trim molding all the way around, inside the window cavities, the returns are shiny white, and anything else that needed flat white that wasn't done, like the back sides of all these drawers and what have you. So without further ado, let's get started now. So I got a bunch of shit done today, but not nearly enough. I got a coat of white shiny paint on like doors and around all the windows and doors and some casings and windows, and that wall over there, the white wall, that closet was second coated. Around the windows, second coat of mud on all my patches, 4,000 nail holes. I got the worst backache. Ohio weather absolutely sucks. It's just rain, rain, more rain, cold rain, and then some more rain on top of it. We just never get sunshine here, and I don't know how many more years I could stay in Ohio. Got the closets back together. I get another coat on these doors and I can put the doorknobs back on. Got a bunch of the tackless pulled up around the perimeter. Tomorrow I'll probably finish disassembling these cabinets, get some paint on that. I didn't hang the light fixtures. I didn't have light bulbs in. The wire nuts were in my van, so I'm going to bring those tomorrow and get the light fixtures back up. At least this one, the bedroom, and the kitchen, and then those are done. Still gotta tear apart, take this faucet out, around the back side, solder in a new faucet into this access panel. I gotta get this vanity out of here, level the floor, whatever I gotta do, and get some new linoleum down, get the walls painted in here. So for today, I guess it was a productive Monday. Thank you for watching Old School Customs. Watch another video, share the video, hit subscribe, hit the like button. Choo-choo.